Yeah, it is very easy to launch a token, right? You all know that. Yeah, it's easy. It takes in less than 4 minutes. You have successfully launched a token with a copied code or just using some token launcher website like Pixel. Okay, you've launched a token, but it is very difficult to launch a coin because a coin you need an explorer, it needs the particular protocol. There's a lot that has to do with launching a coin. All right, so which makes a coin actually stronger than a token because there's a lot of investment that is involved in launching a coin. There's a lot of money invested. That it needs a team, you need a marketing team, you need the design team, you need the HR team, then you need the how do I call it, the tech team. Yeah, those that does the coding and all of that. All right. So now, which makes a cryptocurrency like whoever that those set of person that are actually behind a coin that is being launched are actually very very serious with the project. All right, they are serious, dead serious with the project. So now I'm going to show you on CoinMarketCap where how to search for a new coin that is launched. All right, now not only that this project is actually a very good and genuine project. Okay, though not all may be really good. All right, but
Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now, who advised you to buy this?
I got the advice from a madman.
but whoever takes out their time to form a team, to form some team to launch a coin, means they really mean business. So which means on the long run the coin actually does well or will do well because there are genuine people behind it. All right, so let me show you on CoinMarketCap how to search out new coins that are just being launched into the market. All right. So the first thing you have to do right here is come to CoinMarketCap like this. On CoinMarketCap, we have trending cryptocurrency, trending, and then we have recently added. Okay, first of all, let me tap on the trending. That this is not where we're going to, but I need to let you guys understand something now. When you tap on the trending cryptocurrency, there are, or when you tap on cryptocurrency, okay. Let's start with the recently added. Okay, so where you have to go to is recently added. Now when you go to recently added and then you scroll the way down, so a cryptocurrency that is launched is the chain, the network is on, is actually shown here. Network that is on, the network that is shown on is actually launched on is actually shown here. So you can see that there's a lot of cryptocurrencies that are actually being launched on BNB chain. Now this one that have no chain here, listed here, means that it was launched with its own independent chain. Let me open that one. Buntcoin. All right, so now look at this here. It has about 25 watch lists. All right, it's about $0.004 per Buntcoin right now, with a market cap of $665,000. So with a maximum supply of approximately 100 billion, and a total supply of 475,330. Okay, 475,330,330 333,969 pieces of this particular Bont coin that is being launched. Right now, this is the movement is just being added to CoinMarketCap and it's just beginning to tick. Okay, so you could also check here the number of exchange that is actually on Gravity Exchange, that's Gravity Exchange, Birek Network. Those are just two exchanges that it's actually on right now. But funny enough, I checking out this particular platform, I noticed that okay, they don't have a social media. When I click on their Twitter handle, I saw that there's no Twitter handle. It's just a Gravity post that they had on GravityX web, GravityX Twitter account that is there. Could that be their own post? Alright, so now let's go back here. So here you see the Explorer, Bounty Explorer. There are two Explorer links right here, and you can see their website. Now, to buy this particular set of cryptocurrency that are not yet on popular exchanges that you know, what you need to buy them is actually to either buy from their website or buy from the exchange that they recommend, or download their wallet, and then we see cases how to buy how to buy them. Okay, these are the few use cases. Mobile web app. Okay, so they show some few use cases. So this particular crypto is actually launched on proof of stake. All right, so let's go back and continue our searches. So now if we come back right here if you scroll all the way down again, you will see another one here. Let's tap this one, let's open this one, and then let's scroll down again to see another one that is launched on its own chain, Ȧɣla. Okay, that one, and then let's scroll down again. All right, so they are all for now. That's all for now. So there are many others that were launched like last week or so. So you could check those ones out, and I'll show you how to check them out on CoinMarketCap to actually be able to invest in them on time and be able to grow some good money with them. Okay, let's come here, click right here, and then you see it. You see this one here. Let's check its Explorer. So look at this Explorer. This is its Explorer right here. You know, if this was like on a MetaMask, or was like on a Ethereum network or BNB network or any other network that is already registered on the CoinMarketCap, you will see them listed here. But okay, these are just purely new cryptocurrency. This one has a market cap fully diluted of $111 million plus, and then a total supply of 1 billion pieces, and then maximum supply of 1 billion pieces, and total supply of about 214 million pieces. All right, that's in circulation. Okay, so what exchange is it on? Okay, this is on 𝗟𝗚𝗡 exchange. On it, just on 𝗟𝗚𝗡 exchange. Let's see if they have a social media Twitter account. So you could do some other findings that you normally do while checking out your cryptocurrency here. Oh, they really have some good following right here. 67.2k followers on Twitter. Okay, this looks pretty good. All right, so with this now, you could actually buy into this particular crypto. They really have a low market cap right now as at the time this video is being made. So you could buy into them and then be able to make a huge amount of profit on the long run. All right, because they are actually coins and not just any cryptocurrency that you see on the market. See, let's get over this one here. Now this one, Ȧɣla don't have much details. They don't have much details. They just have, I think they have their website right here, and then community. What community is this taking us? Okay, they have their Twitter community. or 25.8K on their Twitter community. Easily create NFT daily rewards. This looks like a NFT kind of cryptocurrency. Okay, now if you scroll all the way down, there's no total supply or maximum supply right there. Now let's scroll all the way down to see if it's on any exchange yet. Okay, this particular angler is on Bybit alone. Now, why checking out the cryptocurrency? One good thing that makes cryptocurrency a good buy is the ease for people to navigate through the cryptocurrency. Like, they have to make it easy for people to be able to buy, easily create NFT rewards. Okay, download. Okay, menu, how to play, white paper. Okay, it doesn't really have much detail as I thought it will. All right, so now that we've been able to do that, now let's go back to cryptocurrency. If you come back and click on cryptocurrencies, now cryptocurrency just display the list of the entire coin in the crypto market. All right, now you scroll all the way down here, you see some filters right here. Now what do I want to see? Let's say we want to see this filter. You determine what you want to see. All right, so let me tap on the filter. Yeah, on the filter, let's tap there. All right, so what do we want to see? We could decide the kind of crypto we want to see, the market cap. Now let's say we are looking for a cryptocurrency with let's say all coins that has a market cap within the range of with less than $1 million. All right, let's apply. And then now that we've done that, apply that. Now we are not concerned with the price. Now the next thing we are concerned with is the cryptocurrency. Now we're looking for only coins and not tokens. Now by now, if you don't know by now what coins and tokens are, I've already made videos on that. Coins and tokens. Coins has its own blockchain, it has its own network, it is the native cryptocurrency of its own network, while a token depends on another cryptocurrency's network or blockchain. All right, a coin is built on another blockchain. Okay, so let me tap on coin right there and apply changes. All right, so now these are all the coins. These are all the coins with low market cap that are actually on their own independent chains. Their market cap are actually below $1 million. All these particular coins that is displayed right here. So you could choose from the list and then invest in them. If I click on the filter again, I could decide to check the ones that are audited. All right, if they are audited, show results. Now among the list, we'll filter down to only those that are actually audited. All right, now the next thing that we might want to look out for again is to see if they are mineable. All right, I'm sure not all will be mineable. Oh, 0, 0, 0. We have 0 results for those that are mineable. So let's uncheck that. So here we'll invest in all these coins as they are, as early as we can get on them right now, and then be able to make a fortune out of them. But one thing you have to notice, if you're investing into any coin, you have to look for their use case. Is if they have a really good use cases, okay, and are they really friendly? Like the navigation, can people really navigate around it freely? So you need to check out all those things before buying a coin. All right. So now that you've come to the end of my video, thank you for watching. Please hit that subscription button. Hit it right now. Hit it right now. Hit it. Yeah. See you in my next video.